Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah. Every time you got, like, if you're doing bait and bait fishing, so if you feel something like biting on your bait, then after that it's lost. I mean, it's gone. The bite will gone, and you have to check it and pull it out in the water and check it. Still you have a bait like this. So right now we have to put again and put it back again into the water. Let's try it again. Try again. Oh, oh, this one is brighter. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This one a good one. Oh, oh no. This one is good. Woo! Oh my. It's about to lose. So look. Ah! Oh my. Ah! Ah, this one's good, oh. Yeah. Oh my. Mm. Again. Oh, I got a bite. Again. Come on, dude. Hear it, dude. Hit. Yes. Woo! That was, oh my. Woo! This was strong. Oh my. I'm stuck. Dude, come on. Come outside, dude. Yes. It's coming out. Wow, it's big. Woo. Woo. Yeah. It's a big one. Ah, very big. Oh my. How can I get it up? Ah, woo, ah. Oh my god, I'm shaking right now. Oh my god, it was big. This is my biggest so far. Yeah. Oh my, that was insane. Ooh, this was a big one. Ooh. See? Oh my. And about to lose. Oh. Woo. God, thank you. I thought it's gonna lose or snag. But oh my, I was so lucky. Ah, let me try again. Let me try again. Whew. It was so exciting. Really. Oof. Again. Ah, another. Oh my. Oh. Woo. Oh my. A lot of Oscar. Woo. Woo. Oh my. Oh my. They're crazy. Oh my. It's raining. So this is it. That's all for today. So hope you get something tip for our bait and bait fishing. So number one is just to check time to time our your rig. If there is still bait, then at least you didn't miss a bite of the fish. So that's it for today. Peace out.